Jim, I just wanted to shoot you a video real quick on the 2021 Cadillac XT6. I know that you said you wanted to looking to pay about $36,000 out the door for the vehicle, but I also wanted you to get a nice up-close personal view of the vehicle as well while you're making your decision. So we're going to do a nice walk-around video here. I'll try and point out anything that you would want to know about, of course, before you would ever see the vehicle in person. You can't deny that is one beautiful styling on that new grill that they did with Cadillac right there. Beautiful. Let's take a look at those rims. Nice styles, machine cut there. Beautiful. All right. Get a little up close and personal on the roof of the vehicle. Awesome. Has rear view camera as well. Gotta love that. All right. And I don't really see anything I think you would be concerned about as far as scuffs, scrapes, scratches, anything like that. Maybe just a little bit of wear and tear just right here along the front of the bumper. Little scratches right here, it looks like, apparently just a few. I don't know if you can kind of see that there in the video there. There we are. All right, I'm gonna take one of the interiors so you can get a good view of that as well.